Okay? Hello! Kumusta na kayo dyan mga kaastig? Sa ngayon nandito sa Canada Place, manood ng mga show sa Vancouver Convention, ng mga e-bike nilang nag-display dyan sa loob, at mga kayak, iba-ibang parts sa mga pang-camping. Pag napunta kayo rito ng Vancouver, bisitahan nyo to yung Canada Place. Maganda ito bisitahan sa Vancouver, at marami kang makita. At ito yung ginadaungan ng mga cruise ship dito sa Vancouver. Ayun, malaking puerto ito, at yan ay English Bay. Yung lahat ng mga barko dyan nga anchorage papunta na mga port ng mag-unload. Ayun, andun sa dulo sa Katsuan. Okay, and then ayun naman ang helipad. Ito ay Canada Place, parts ng Canada Place. At pag nadayo kayo rito sa Vancouver, pasyaran nyo to yung Canada Place. Ayan, para sa mga itong loob, yan ang Vancouver Convention Port. Yeah. Ito na, wala sa plano magbili ng bike. Makakabili yata kami ng bike ah. Alin?
Attractive na ito. Pero hanggang 50 ba kayo?
I got a hard time just doing it. Well, that's incredible. Right on. Keep that applause, please, going for Fan. He pulls it. Right on.
Why?
All right, everybody's riding really awesome. This is good stuff. What's Josh got for us? Been one of my best friends for 25 years. Nice. The tire tap for faking, known as an Abubica. Another great beginner trick there, looking real good. Josh and I used to work in a lumberyard together 25 years ago. That's where a lot of this got started. Oh, here we go. Oh, not to be outdone. Why only have one flatliner, they ask. Great riding here by all of these riders here today. Oh, the bar spin to fakie. The only trick I could ever do.
All right, guys, last few jumps to show. These guys who put it out here this morning. Max Goodman comes through. He's got that 360 power spin. That's a truck driver. It's the technical name for the trick for anyone who doesn't know. Nick DeBowick dropping into the front. Huge stable. Heads up, pull quick.
Go! Napakaraming tao sa Vancouver. Ito yung show nila ngayon, mga exhibition ng bike. Iikutin natin marami mga bike dito nga binibinta. Tingnan natin yung mga presyo. Exhibition ito ng mga bike eh. Ayun. Last. Okay. Bike show ito sa Vancouver. Lahat ng mga bagong labas na model ng bike nandito. Puro e-bike lahat. Ayun. Wow, that's a nice one. I like this one. I like it. Wow. Galing ng exhibit nila rito. Ito parang bagong modern nga camper ito eh. I-hook up mo lang sa truck. Okay. Nice.